Hello guys, this is the engine, how it sounds in warm condition, exactly like last time before I changed the fuel pump. What I can see is that the engine is not shaking that much anymore, it's more stable, plus the clicking sound of the injector are not so loud. In both conditions the AC was turned off, so now it's off. In the last video when I asked about the shaking, was off. So as you can see, there is less sound from the engine. Take in consideration this is a 320i, so it's a little bit louder than the 328i. Thank you and see you next time.